Magandang araw po sa inyo. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat.
Totoo na to ha, kakas ka na.
Totoo na. Totoo na. I-claim ko na. Say, I love you.
Ayos.
No, pero I'm very thankful na makasama sa cast ko. Sa pitching pa lang, nakita ko yung mga pangalan ng mga kasama ko. And, I felt grateful na I was even considered for the role. And, Regal has been nothing but, very good to us, sa akin. I'm doing projects with them. And I'm always looking forward to work with Regal, and Mr. Sen, and kay Sir T. And nung nalaman ko nga yung story, it's another, very nice franchise from Regal, horror. Sabi ko talaga, we'll work on the schedule. Hindi pwedeng malaglag po ako dahil gusto ko po makasama sa pelikula ko. And of course, it's another chance for me to learn from each and every one of them. First time ko makakatrabaho. So I'm very looking forward to this movie, especially MMFF. It's
First time ka bang magkaroon ng entry?
hindi man, but it's
Kaya galing ko the home of the best horror movies.
Yes, yun ang talagang looking forward na magpasaya ng mga tao sa Pasko at at the same time manakot. So, thank you very much, Mr. Seltzer, for that.